Hello students, today we will learn about the graphical method for finding the inductor of any choke coil and the capacitor value of any capacitor by the AC circuit methods. Here first of all we are discussing about RL series circuit. So as you know, as per our practical, the R variable resistor, or you can say the load bank, it is connected with the variable inductor choke. So here these are the meters. It gives the voltage drop across resistance. This is across the choke. This one is the supply voltage and this is the current passing from this series circuit. Now in our this particular practical we are taking R is equal to 1508 ohm. It's a sharp value measured by the multimeter, and the inductor which we are using for this practical, it is 3 ohm, the choke size. Now from this all 4 meters we are taken the readings like this. The current value of the circuit, that is 6.5 milliampere. Then so this one is the value of current measured by this ampere meter. Then this is the supply voltage Vs, which is exactly flow measured in this RL series circuit, that is 14.5 volt. Then voltage drop across R is 9.9 volt and this choke across the voltage drop is 7.85 volt. Now we are going to measure the value of pure L, or the inductive value of this particular choke coil, by graphical method. So the steps for this graphical method is like this. We have to require 3 readings: VR, VLR and Vs. So in a graph paper you have to take the initial 0 point and then this voltage drop across R means 9.9 volt converted into scale form on the x-axis, and you have to draw the line which represent the value of voltage drop across R. Now then after the second choke coil across voltage drop VLR, we have to take this much value, put the mark point at here and making a arc of this VLR value. Now then the third point is the remaining supply voltage value, means 14.5 converted into scale. The initial point is 0 and draw the arc which cross at the some point with VLR. Now join all these 3 points. So this one is your supply voltage Vs, this is your VLR, means some of the resistive part is considered in it. Now take the line from this VR, horizontal line, and put the perpendicular line from this cross section point of VLR and Vs, means this one. So this is at 90 degree. So this much portion, it indicates I into R, the drop in resistive element of our choke, and this vertical portion, that is your IXL, means the pure inductive voltage drop across pure inductive portion. So that is IXL. So this IXL, this one is our one of the table column where we are using this IXL, means voltage drop across pure inductor. Current is available, so we can find the value of XL from this this particular graph. So this Excel is concerned with our inductor with 2 pi FL. So we can find the pure inductive value by XL by 2 pi F. So after this finding of inductor value of this RL series circuit, the second part is to find out the angle, power factor angle, and the value of power factor from this graphical method. So this angle phi between this supply voltage line and this horizontal line of voltage drop across pure resistor plus voltage drop in a part of inductor coil in form of resistance. So this angle, it gives you the graphically value of power factor cos phi, and we can also find out this phi from the method cos phi is equal to R by Z, the primary method. Now we will see the second RC series circuit case. So as per this previous circuitry, here there is one change. We are replacing this inductor choke coil with one of the capacitor, and the instrument voltmeter which measure the value of voltage drop across this capacitor. In this observation table, again the current is same, Vs is also there, Vr is also there, but this VLR is now replaced with VCR. So here for this particularly case of RL series circuit, this is our R, this is our C. The 4 milliampere, that is our value of current. Supply voltage is 14.2 volt. Voltage drop across resistance is 6 volt. Voltage drop across this capacitor bank, that is 12.5 volt. And the value of this capacitor is 1 microfarad in our this practical case. Again we are using the same graphical method for finding this pure capacitor value of this circuit and the power factor angle phi. The major change in this particular graphical method with respect to this VLR related circuit and this VCR related circuit is like this. Here the zero initial point is here, same structure for this VR. Now we are taking the arc from this point with respect to the value of VCR 12.5 in scalar form at downward side, and the third one, which is our VS 14.2, it initially at 0 point and it will cross this arc at here. Now we are joining these 3 points in such a manner through which we can find the triangle of supply voltage, voltage across resistance, and voltage across capacitor bank. The third stage is common. We have to take the horizontal line from this voltage drop axis, x-axis, and perpendicular line, and this perpendicular line, it will gives us I into XC now, and this horizontal line, it gives again I into R. So this I into XC, I is available with us, so we can find this XC, and XC is equal to 1 upon 2 pi FC. So the value of capacitor is available from this equation, from this graphical method. About this power factor angle, this one is your angle between supply voltage and voltage across resistor plus voltage drop in form of capacitor across the resistive part. So it gives you the power factor angle phi, and this power factor angle gives us the power factor of the circuit. Thank you.